Neurodivergent, autism, Black power, truth. Cook good and look good. What's up? It's your girl Qudsiyah Jones, back live in the flesh, and yes, I am here for you, baby girl and baby boys of the world and grown people. To be honest with you, when you're dealing with neurodivergence, you are perceptively included in this video, okay? Shabuya. Okay, I just want you to understand that I have hacks, tools, and truths for you, okay? So I'm Black, neurodivergent, and a culinary professional, which is a high, sensory environment. And I thought I would make this video so you can be able to deal with your life a lot better, okay? So you can be able to live your life, your soul, like a sweater, okay? Just nice and tight and right, okay? That's all I'm trying to say, okay? So let's get into this video. My name is Qudsiyah Jones, and if you haven't followed me now, you should go ahead and follow me at Qudsiyah. Yes, I am a cook good and look good professional, a culinary influencer, a advocate, okay? And if you haven't seen me on this platform talk to you about everything how to cook good and look good culture, well, you ain't watched enough videos, so go ahead and go back. Relax, I got you. But this video is specifically for neurodivergence and how to deal with some of the day-to-day baby stuff, okay? Look, tools and hacks. These are construction headphones. A lot of people get these confused with, the Beats or, the wireless headphones that you can use to, work out or rock out to. I'm cool with that. You can use those too, and a lot of other neurodivergents do. But this, to me, allows me to be in a non-overload situation about 70 to 85% of the time. And when I was a kid, I thought I used to be having whole allergy attacks. My eyes would be watering, my head would be pounding, I couldn't really understand what was going on. It was because I was missing these. Now, my grandfather, when I first started having seizures, and I was having sensory issues again, and I didn't know how to deal with it, was like, here's a pair. Now, I ended up giving those to my grandmother, but when I got up in Boston, I needed these because there is so much environmental pollution, okay? And this is the solution. So these are 3M 98 primes. These are yellow, you can get the red ones, you can get a different brand. But construction or even shooter headphones is going to be probably it for, getting enough secure sound regulation. And if you're high sensory, you can pretty much hear through these still. So, it works for me. And I just thought I would tell you some positivity, how to lighten the look, when it comes to the sounds, okay? You can also meditate, Don't hesitate to meditate. I'm not going to sleep on that, but I'm just saying, if you're one of those, if if you're dealing with autism, if you're dealing with the sensories, I got what you need. They be asking me what these headphones are all the time. What it is? What's up? I got headphones in the hood. Now, these, okay. They're dirty as hell right now, but shade Uno are going to be orange, and they're going to lighten perception of light. Now, I got seizures and whatnot, and last time I talked to my neurologist, she said that there's a high possibility that I have both non-epileptic and epileptic seizures. And ever since then, my friend, for the last 3 years, I've been wearing these, maybe 4. Yeah, 3 or 4 years, I've been wearing these lovely shades. And let me tell you, they have not affected my culinary professionalism. Nobody has asked me their niche, okay? And it's helped me not have seizures right when something is blanking in front of me. Okay. Now, do they always work? No, but here's the other pair when I need something to go berserk. These are the ones that I wear, the darker shades. They're about 2 shades darker than these lovely pair right here. Okay. And these are the ones that I wear at the movie theater, or, you know, if I know I'm going to be around some type of extraness at nighttime. Okay. Now, if you live in the city, you know. Okay. So if you ever wonder what these are, I know that I'm giving you 2K realness, but these are really for sensory as well, and they help me on the day-to-day basics of being safe. And I always do have a limit. I'm going to have a seizure or 2 a week. Really, that's my lifestyle right now. But with these, they help me have 1 to 2 seizures as opposed to have 3 to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You know what I'm saying? Like, why have many when you can have less? Okay, I do my best. Okay, I also use these during recording on and off, and I know you have peeped it by now. I know you have peeped me wearing these during recording because I need them for existence. Okay, I need them for existence. I don't play when it comes to that level of protection. So this right here, I know it has no label on it. It's my peppermint oil. Okay. So when dealing with all these pains and aches and headaches and migraines, you feel me? I want you to know that peppermint is probably stronger than Tylenol. Okay. It's definitely stronger than some aspirin. Okay. It's going to nip that headache in that. Okay. That migraine is going to be gone. Okay. So if you put it like this, dab it just like that. Dab it like that. You're gonna put it here. You're gonna put it here, and then you're gonna put it on your nose tip. Okay. And here's why. This is going to reduce your pain receptors. Here, the temples. I guess it just puts it directly to the neurons. That's my real science. Okay. But it really works. I've heard great things from cancer patients about putting it for chemotherapy even. So if I said if it's going to work for them, it's going to work for me, okay? And I've probably been able to be reaping the benefits of peppermint oil for 4 years. And it's helped me not feel as nauseous after my seizures and stuff like that. So, well, it's a blessing. With the 3 things that I've showed you, the headphones, the glasses, I know they don't say nothing, and the peppermint oil, that is how I protect myself through neurodivergence. Now, my whole life I didn't know black people could be neurodivergent, but as a black neurodivergent woman, I'm letting you know something. You can do it. I want to let you know there's some things that are able to protect you without you thinking they would. And guess what, baby? They will work. I'm letting you know how I'm doing it. You know, okay? I'm giving you the skills to let you know how I keep it real, okay? Teaching you how to cook good and look good and all on the low, all my people. Hold on, wrong hand. All my people. Black power. I want you to know that, okay? I want you to get all the skills, okay? Everybody can get the skills. I'm sharing it all, okay? It's accessible because it's on YouTube. All right, y'all. Peace. Go ahead and follow me at QUDOEMIEJONES. Bye.